Welcome to Kiddo Fun.
Like and subscribe to Kiddo Fun for more bedtime stories and fun adventures.
Kofi and the Talking Drum. Kofi loved listening to music. One morning, he heard a tiny drum talking. "Hello," said the little drum. "My name is Duma," said the little drum. "I have wonderful stories to share. Did you know? Long ago, talking drums helped people send messages. Boom, boom, boom. Each rhythm had a different meaning. Some beats meant, come together. Some beats meant, it's time to celebrate. Some beats meant, welcome home. Kofi listened carefully. Every sound tells a story. Duma taught Kofi. Boom, boom, boom. Soon, Kofi could play simple rhythms too. Everyone gathered to listen. The music made everyone smile. Music brings people together. Kofi thanked Duma. "I learned something amazing." Duma smiled. Keep sharing music. And every beat told another wonderful story. The end.
What did we learn today? Music brings people together. Every culture has stories to share. Learning new things is exciting. Like and subscribe to Kiddo Fun for more bedtime stories and fun adventures. See you in the next story.